Hi folks, I'm Dr. Andrew Colson, and today we're discussing the adrenal glands. Your adrenal glands make a hormone called cortisol. They sit right on top of your kidneys, and they're also referred to as your stress glands. These make a lot of hormones for your body in addition to cortisol, such as aldosterone and androgens. Your adrenal glands are vital for optimal health. When they're not working correctly, it causes high levels of cortisol in your system, and this is why you still have these symptoms. Even when your other lab tests may be considered normal, cortisol is one of the main factors that regulate your blood sugar level, not insulin. Everyone thinks of insulin when we think blood sugar, but it's actually cortisol. When cortisol is released by your adrenal glands, it's accompanied by cytokines. Your adrenal glands make cortisol in response to stress, whether it's physical, chemical, or emotional stress. And cortisol also promotes inflammation. This makes your adrenal glands pump out more cortisol. And as cortisol is released, the cytokines come out along with it and suppress your pituitary gland. There are common causes of elevated cortisol, some of them being chronic stress, post-traumatic stress disorder, or hidden gut infections such as parasites. You'd be surprised how many people have parasitic infections that don't know it. Other causes of elevated cortisol included blood sugar dysregulation, high or low blood sugar, hypoglycemia, insulin resistance, and diabetes. You need to make sure that your blood sugar levels are stable. And you need to understand that when you have these problems, your blood sugar level is going up or down, so are your cortisol levels, which means your cytokines are going up and down, which means there's inflammation throughout your body. And don't forget, there are several types of blood sugar problems, not just diabetes, but also hypoglycemia, low blood sugar, insulin resistance. Hypoglycemia is a blood sugar level of 85 or lower. Insulin resistance is a fasting blood sugar of 100 to 126, and diabetes is a fasting blood sugar level of 127 or higher. So be aware, if your stress levels are high, your adrenal glands are going to pump hard, and cortisol levels are going to increase. Cytokine levels are going to increase, and it will cause massive inflammation throughout your body. High cortisol will sabotage your attempt to combat your peripheral neuropathy. If you're suffering with adrenal fatigue, you need to avoid refined sugar, alcohol, and caffeine, because these are high stressors to your immune system. And don't think you can get away with eating aspartame or MSG, because these are the worst things you could do for your adrenal glands. If you'd like to partner with us in addressing these specific concerns, call our office at 763-494-0828 to schedule your exam. Hope to see you soon.